Hello everyone, welcome once again. In last video lecture, I told you about or I taught you about the introduction of data representation, numeral systems, digital number system, and in digital number system, we were studied about this one, that is decimal number system, in the previous lecture, in which there was some misarrangement of data was done technically, not by my fault. It was done technically, so it has been removed in this one. Now you can see that all the datas are arranged and everyone is in the proper order. If there was any problem in that one, you can go in the starting of this session to overcome with that problem, that how 10 to the power 5, this is the sixth digit. Always the counting is starts from right to left. Right means this portion. 0, this is my zeroth location, then 1, then 2, then 3, then fourth, and this one is my fifth one. But keep in your mind starting from 0 but counting as a first digit. This you have to remember and keep in your mind throughout the whole studies of this lesson. So let us discuss about now the next digital number system, and that is binary number system. Binary number system. What is binary number system? Binary number system or base 2 number system represents numeric values using two symbols 0 and 1. More specifically, the usual base 2 system is a positional notation with a radix of 2. Because of its straightforward implementation in digital electronic circuitry using logic gates, the binary system is used internally by almost all modern computers. Example, suppose we have to represent the data as 1 digit 1, 2 digit 10, 3 digit 101, 4 digit 1001. In this system, the value of a digit is multiplied according to its placement in a numerical sequence. Base number is 2 over here, means base you have to 2, and 0 1 2 3 from right to left. This binary number system also I will explain you with one example. An example is given in front of you all. See 101010 in BNS. BNS means binary number system. You can see that here 1, it is my first digit, 2 second digit, 4 third digit, 8 fourth digit, 16 fifth digit, 32 sixth digit. And why these are 6? Because of this, because this is of 6 digit, and as I told that the number counting will starts from only 0, and it is also from right to left. This side we have to move right to left. Now you just check out representation में 1 2 4 8 16 32. That means the multiples of 2 is being done in this particular technique. 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2 4 multiplied by 2 8 multiplied by 2 16 multiplied by 2 32. This is the feature. That means the multiple of 2 is required over here, and you can see also. And where there is 1, we have to multiply it with 1, and where it is 0 we have to multiply it with 0 according to their position. So in this one also we had done the same. 1 into 2 to the power 5, that is 1 into 32. 0 into 2 to the power 4, that means 0 into 16. 1 into 8, 0 into 4, 1 into 2, then 0 into 1, and answer will be 42. Suppose 1 0 1 0 1 0, it is there. Now you just count it. At 0 value will be 1, at 1 value will be 2, at 0 again 0, because multiplied by 0 anything it will give you a 0. Then here 8, then here again 0, and this one 32. Now 32 plus 8 plus 2, it will be, this will be 0, because any number multiplied by 0 it should be 0. Then 32 plus 8 plus 2, it should be 42. This is my answer. So this is the way to solve any binary number system, and this is the working of binary number system. You all have one thing in your mind, that what is the need of binary number system. Unfortunately, the decimal number system does not lend itself to convenient implementation in digital systems. For example, it is very difficult to design electronic equipment so that it can work with 10 different voltages level, each one representing one decimal characters 0 through 9. On the other hand, it is very easy to design simple accurate electronic circuits that operate with only two voltage levels. For this reason, almost every digital system uses the binary number system base 2 as the basic number system of its operations, although other systems are often used in conjunction with binary. So this is the reason, because making 10 digits combination, it makes a circuit to be complicated, but 2 digits combination, it makes circuit easy to understand. Now we will study about the next topic, and the next topic is octal number system. The octal number system is very important in digital computer work. The octal number system has a base of 8, meaning that it has 8 unique symbols. In the definition also you can see the octal number, or oct for short. That means in short, if I say octal number, it should be oct, is the base 8 number systems and uses the digits 0 to 7. After that it will becomes again 0. So 0 to 7 numbers we have to check out. Octal numbers can be made from binary numbers by grouping consecutive binary digits into groups of 3, starting from the right. Always keep in mind that you have to start anything from right and go to left. Now, one representation of octal number is given in a form of a figure, and that I will explain you all what it is. See, 0 0 0, that means it is the binary equivalent of octal symbol 0, and as I told you that it is a grouping of 3. It's a binary digit grouping of 3. When I talk about any binary digit, then the grouping of 3 is says always octal number system. So keep in mind, the octal system is also a positional value system, where each octal digit has its own value or weight expressed as a power of 8. The places to the left of the octal point of are positive powers of 8, and places to the right are negative powers of 8. So we will further know about it, but see here. Here 0, that means this one. 1, that means 1. If 1 is been represented, then it should be represented like this one. If 2, then 0 0, sorry, 0 1 0. If 3, then it should be 0, 1, 1. This is the binary representation of octal numbers. So these things you have to keep in mind, that for binary representation, the 2 digits required, octal representation, 3 digits are required, and it will be represented from 0 to 7. The sequence of octal number goes as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, then 17, 20, 21, 22, as follows. So octal number system, I think it is very clear now that octal number system is very important in digital computer work. The octal number system has a base of 8, meaning that it has 8 unique symbols, and that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Thus each digit of an octal number can have any value from 0 to 7. So this is known as octal number system. Now the next one is hexadecimal number system. The hexadecimal system uses base 16. Thus it has 16 possible digit symbols. It uses the digits 0 through 9 plus the letters A, B, C, D, E and F as the 16 digit symbols. Now by definition, you see, the hexadecimal number system often shortened to hex, that means the short form of hexadecimal number system will be hex, is a number system made up of 16 symbols which is having base 16. The standard number system is called decimal, base 10, and uses 10 symbols, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But hexadecimal uses the decimal numbers and 6 extra symbols. 6 extra symbols. There are no numerical symbols that represents values greater than 9. That means not any special symbols I have made. So for that only we made letters taken from the English alphabets, which are used specifically as capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E and capital F, which represents A as 10, B as 11, C as 12, D as 13, E as 14 and F as 15. And this is very clear in this following table which I had presented in front of you all. Now you just see in this one. Here 0 is represented 0 in decimal, and in binary it has represented 0, 0, 0. That means 4 zeros. So one thing more you have to make it clear, that in binary 2, octal 3 and hexadecimal having 4, that means grouping of 4. If I say hexadecimal 1, then in decimal it should be 1, but in binary it has to be like this 0, 0, 1. If I say 2, then that means it is 2 in decimal only, then 0, 0, 1, 0. But if I say B, then it will be 11 in decimal, and 11 is represented in binary is like this 1, 0, 1, 1. So this is representation of hexadecimal numbers. Just like above discussed system, hexadecimal system is also a positional value system, wherein each hexadecimal digit has its own value or weight expressed as a power of 16. Note that each hexadecimal digit represents a group of 4 binary digits. It is important to remember that hex abbreviation for hexadecimal digit. A through F are equivalent to the decimal values 10 through 15. So keep in your memory that if A, B, C, D, E, F is being given, so that means we are talking about hexadecimal numbers. And the grouping of this one is of 4 digits. Always keep in mind 4 binary digits. For binary numbers, 2 binary digits. For octal number, 3 binary digits. And this is the representation which is given in front of you all. Hope you all would like this and keep in your memory. Thank you for today. God bless you all.